Hello everybody, great to make a video after a long time. So this one would be on exponents. The series of videos will be on exponents. So the first question is, why exponents? Why do you need to study exponents? So let's talk about the size of an atom. Now the size of an atom is approximately 0.9 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then a 1, right? So this is really difficult to communicate to someone. So I can write it as this is 1 divided by 10 power 10 into, or sorry, I have not introduced you to exponents, so 10 into 10 into 10 times 10, and that I can write it as 1 by 10 power 10. So that means that I have multiplied 10 times, right? Or I can write this as 10 power minus 10 meter. So this is a much easier way to communicate to somebody. So let's take another example. The distance of Earth to Sun. Now the distance of Sun to Earth is 152.1 million kilometers, right? It's 152.1 million kilometers. Now if you want to write that in meters, it's 1521 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros, right? So it's very difficult to communicate this. I mean, this is okay. So if I need to communicate in meters, then I can in a very simplistic way, I can count the zeros: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I can write 1.521 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Yep, that's right. Or in other words, I can write 1.521 into 10 into 10 into 10 11 times. So this is 11 times. Or in other words, I can say this is 1.521 into 10 power 11, right? So it's exponents are helping us to communicate meter, of course. It's helping us to communicate in a more user-friendly manner. So you see this 10 power 11, and here we use this 10 power minus 10, which is nothing but 1 by 10 power 10. So these are really useful in everyday communication. So that's number one, right? Useful for communication. The number two big reason you will find exponents used everywhere is it helps us for computation, right? So computation, so it's easier. So these are two main reasons why exponents are very, very handy. So let's take an example. Let's say the speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. So that's about 3 lakh kilometers per second, right? So that's the speed of light. So for sunlight to reach Earth, the time taken is distance by speed of light, right? So that's to say that let's say if you have to cover 100 meters and you're Usain Bolt and you're doing 10 meters per second, you're going to take 10 seconds, which is 100 divided by 10. That's equal to 10 seconds. You're going to take 10 seconds because every second you're covering 10 meters. So in 10 seconds you will cover 100 meters. So that's the time you take. So distance divided by speed gives you the time taken, right? So in this case, let's take 1.521 into 10 power 11 divided by 3 into 10 power 8, right? So so in this chapter you're going to study how these exponents can help you for easy computation. So you will discover that you can easily cancel this and say, hey, this is nothing but 10 power 3, because you will see what happens, because this is 1 followed by 11 zeros, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is 1 followed by 8 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I cancel this 8 and I cancel this 8 zeros. I'm left with 3 zeros, so that's 10 power 3, and this will be equal to 0.507 into 10 power 3 seconds, or that's 507 seconds. So of course you see that exponents makes our computation very, very easy. So it's for both these reasons that you will find exponents very, very important in science, and not only in science but in economics, in anything related where there are big numbers or small numbers. For example, the size of the coronavirus that's troubling us nowadays is about 0.1 micrometer. That's about 0.1234561 meter. So you can say that that's about 10 power minus 7 meters, right? So that's your coronavirus. So that's the size of your coronavirus. So it's helpful everywhere. I mean, you can imagine that you want to talk about population, area of a country, number of stars in the sky, and so on. So wherever there are big numbers and small numbers, it's inevitable that you will encounter exponents. So it's such an important topic that you must focus on. So with this, we will begin the ideas of exponents from next video. See you until then. Ciao.